Morning everyone. So today we will do exercise 4.5 and 4.6. So first question of exercise 4.5 is find the difference. See in the book, you will do this question in book only. So you have to subtract. So how we will subtract here? First of all, you will write the place value chart. After writing place value chart, you will copy down all the numbers and now you will start subtraction. When you will subtract 2 from 7, your answer will be 5. You can't subtract 5 from 1 because 5 is greater number and 1 is smaller. So what you will do is you will take carry from 6. So here it will be 5 and here it will be 11. 11 minus 5 will be 6. 5 minus 1 will be 4. 5 minus 1 will be 4. Then 5 minus 4 will be 1. You can't subtract 3 from 2. So here you will write 12 and here you will write 2. Now here answer will be 9 because 12 minus 3 will be 9. Again you can't subtract 8 from 2. So here you will write 5 and here you will write 12. 12 minus 8 will be 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. And now put the commas. And where you will put commas? Starting from here, leave 3 digits, put comma, then leave 2 digits, put comma. I have used commas according to Indian system because according to place value chart, this is Indian system, so that's why I have used commas according to Indian system. Now all the parts of question A you can do yourself. Let's do B part. Subtract the following and check your answer. First of all, I will subtract these two and how to check that I will tell you. So let's start. So first of all, I have arranged both the numbers vertically and let's start subtraction. You all know subtraction. So one I have done for you. Let's recall what is subtrahend and difference. The second number which you are subtracting is known as subtrahend and the answer of subtraction is called difference. Again, the number which you are subtracting is called subtrahend and answer of subtraction is called difference. So this is your answer called difference. Now how you will check? So let's talk about the रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में रिलेशन क्या होता है? सी, दिस इज फर्स्ट नंबर एंड दिस इज सेकेंड नंबर. इफ आई एम एडिंग दीज टू नंबर्स, अगर मैं 10 और 5 को ऐड कर रही हूँ, माई आंसर विल बी 15. सो दिस आंसर इज नोन एज सम. क्लियर? व्हेन आई एम एडिंग टू नंबर्स द आंसर इज नोन एज सम. तो अब रिलेशन क्या होगा? व्हेन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट एनी वन नंबर from the sum you will get the other number. Again, when you will subtract any one number from the sum you will get the other number. For example, I have subtracted 5 from 15. The answer is 10, means next number. In the second, I have subtracted 10 from 15 and the answer is 5, which is other number. So whenever you will subtract sum and the other number you will get the other number. When you will subtract first number or means any number from the sum you will get the other number. Clear? Or you can also say that, see, I am subtracting these two, 21 and 4. So you will get answer 17. 17 is called difference, 4 is called subtrahend. Now what is the relation? अगर आपको चेक करना है कि आपकी subtraction ठीक है या नहीं, so what you will do? You will add these two. You will add subtrahend and difference. तो मैंने क्या किया? ऐड किया 4 and 17. Answer is 21. So whenever you are subtracting and you have to check whether your answer is correct or not, you will add subtrahend and difference, or you can say you can add two smaller numbers. Same way, when you are adding and you have to confirm whether your answer is correct or not. So what you will do is, from sum you will subtract any number and then you will get the other number. जैसे मैंने इन दोनों को ऐड किया, ये हमारा सम आ गया. सम में से आप कोई भी एक नंबर माइनस करोगे तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? सेकेंड नंबर. क्लियर? और अगर हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं और अगर फिर आपको आंसर चेक करना है तो व्हाट यू विल डू, you will add subtrahend and difference. Subtrahend is 4 here and difference is 17. Clear everyone? In your books also it is given the relation between addition and subtraction. See here it is given. यहाँ पे मैंने इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड किया, आंसर आया 61,468. After then I have subtracted any one number out of the sum. So my answer is the other number. Clear? And same here also, subtraction I have done. मैंने subtraction किया and this is my what? This is my difference. हम लोगों ने क्या किया? Subtrahend and difference. I have added these two and my answer is this. Okay? Clear everyone? So let's start. So we were talking about check. Subtract the following. हमने subtract कर लिया. Now we have to check. So how we will check the subtraction? I will add subtrahend and difference. So same I have done here. I have added subtrahend and difference and this is my answer. So this answer will be this number. Both are same means my subtraction is correct. Clear? One more I am doing for you, which is third part. First of all, I have to subtract. So before subtraction, I have to arrange the numbers. I have arranged the numbers vertically. So let's subtract. So 4, 8, 1, 3, 9, 7, 6. This is what? This is subtrahend. This is difference. To check, what I will do? I will add subtrahend and difference. So 67, 93, 184. Add these two. So 184, 93, 7 and 7. And put commas. Both are same means my subtraction is correct. So you will do now 4.4 exercise, 4.5 exercise yourself. Clear everyone? Let's start exercise 4.6. Both the exercises are interrelated and almost same. Only in exercise 4.5 we have done till 10 lakhs and here we will do one more digit, that is crore. So in first subtract the following. You have to subtract these numbers. I have copied down in my notebook. So here you have to do subtraction. 8 minus 1 will be 7. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 8, what? 1. 2 minus 5. Can you subtract 5 from 2? No. So here you will write 12 and here you will write 4. Now it will be 7 and 1. Again you can't subtract 4 from 2. So here it will be 12 and here it will be 2. 12 minus 4 will be 8. You can't subtract 9 from 2. Here write 6, 12. So 3 and 4. Put commas. Crore is there means Indian system. So again put commas according to Indian. So this is your answer. Clear everyone? B part is find the difference of the following numbers. Again you have to find difference. Difference means you have to subtract because answer of subtraction is called difference. Now next is check if the answer is correct by showing inverse operation. Inverse operation means you have to tell the relationship between addition and subtraction. You know there is a relationship between addition and subtraction. So first of all we have to find the difference, means we have to subtract. So these are the numbers. Arrange them vertically and then subtract. I have subtracted for you because you all know now how to subtract. So this is what? This is difference. This is subtrahend. To check, what you will do? You will add subtrahend and difference. I have added these two and this is my answer. This number and this number must be same. Whenever they are same means your answer is correct. So now I hope you can do this yourself. Thank you.